Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to make a website using the Google Sites. What you want to do is you want to come over here to I call it the waffle, here on your Google homepage, and this is what you want. You want the Sites function. So if you don't have that little icon, then what you can do is you can type in sites.google.com right there up at the top, the URL. It'll take you to this screen. What you want to do is you want to create a blank website. You could also use one of the templates. So once you have your website pulled up here, you can change your title. You can alter this in any way. So I'm going to go ahead and this is going to be about solar energy. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. Then what you can do is you can add text boxes down here. So type it in. So I'm going to say information. And then I want that to be a title. So maybe it's a larger title there. You can also add in some of these layouts with different images. You can add images by selecting them either from your Google Drive, or you can also do a Google image search and attach them there. So if you want to create another page, so maybe you have your information, you also have the positives and the negatives, and then also your sources. You could put that all on one page, but if you wanted to have subpages within your main page, you'll want to come over here to Pages, and you'll find that there's this little 3 buttons here. Menu drops down. You're going to add a subpage. So I'm going to call my first one positives, and I'm going to hit done. And so now all of a sudden I have a new page, new subpage with those. And if you want to get back to where you have all those little templates and stuff, just click over here to insert, and you'll be able to put in whatever you want there. The other thing, of course, is you'll want to have your positives. You'll want to add another subpage to this one. Let me add another one there. And so I want that subpage to be negatives. And then I'm going to have one more subpage with my sources. So add subpage. My sources. Of course, you could put all this on one page if you prefer. You'll also notice that back here you have your navigation. So if you want to change how that looks, you can go over here to the settings, and you can allow that to float. It can be at the top or the side, and change a few different things. So feel free to alter that the way you would like there. So now you can see where we have the navigation along that side. After you're finished, you want to hit publish, and I would like you to use your last name, and I'm going to call this Pickett_solar energy. And so hit publish, and now all of a sudden it hasn't really changed anything the way it looks right here, but if you go over here and you hit view publish site, you can actually see what your website would look like on the website. And so you could give anyone this URL and they would be able to access your website. So hope that helped. If you have any questions, please email me. Have a great day.